Good morning, everyone. Today we are at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood here in Burbank to show you a sneak peek of a new exhibit and give you some information on a special event coming up, both celebrating the 85th anniversary of Batman. Let's go check out this exhibit here and tell you more about that event.
We're very excited that you were the very first people to come see our new Batcave and our Batman 85 exhibit. So thank you so much for coming. Now, before we start, I want to introduce our very own Dark Knight of Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood, our VP and General Manager. Let's give it up for Mr. Danny. Come on, everybody.
What better place to showcase our 85th anniversary of Batman than Warner Brothers Studios? For over 100 years, Warner Brothers has made the stories and entertainment that you love, and several of the Batman films and television shows have been produced right here on our lot, including the 1966 TV show with Burt Ward and Adam West, Batman Returns, Batman Forever, and Batman and Robin. So a lot of Batman content to see. And in just a few minutes, we're so thrilled to show you our array of authentic props, costumes, Bat costumes from every film, the tumblers back in our Batcave also, so a lot of fun things to show you.
And we're here today, we will be your tour guides, and we're here today to show you a little sneak preview of what to expect on Batman Day. So,
September 21st.
September 21st. Exactly, that is the Batman Day. Come on in. Come on in, everyone, come on in.
Let's go. Celebrate Batman's 85th anniversary at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. On September 21st, Batman fans can answer the bat signal for a special film screening of Tim Burton's Batman on the iconic Warner Brothers backlot. Bring your friends and family for a night of fun and memorable moments as you go behind the scenes of your favorite Batman films and see original costumes, Batmobiles, and more. The event features a 1-hour guided studio tour focused on Batman, plus a movie screening of the 1989 Batman starring Michael Keaton. Batman Day is Saturday, September 21st, 2024. Starts at 5 p.m., which is the studio tour, 6:30 p.m. at the movie screening. Location is a Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood in Burbank. Ticket price is $89 each for those ages 5 and up. Children under 5 years of age are not permitted on the tour. SoCal resident offers do not apply to this special tour and movie event. Get your tickets now, as they are limited. Find more information and purchase tickets online at wbstudiotour.com. This exhibit that we're looking at now is located in the Action and Magic Made Here portion of the studio tour. This is actually housed inside the studio tour building, but you'll see much more on a regular studio tour if you're coming on a regular day. You'll also get to see this exhibit when you come for Batman Day, in addition to your studio tour and movie screening. So much to see and do at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. We have been there numerous times. I highly recommend a visit. If you're visiting Los Angeles and want that true Hollywood behind-the-scenes experience, or if you're even a local and looking for something fun and unique to do, they are always changing up the exhibits. The tours are never the same twice because real filming is going on the lot. So highly recommend checking out the Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. And you'll see some of those other characters here from DC inside this exhibit. Also in this building are exhibits from Game of Thrones and some interactive activities with Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So we were asked not to film on the backlot to preserve some of the magic for when you come for the tour. They're doing construction across the street. You will board one of the tour vehicles and your guide will take you on a tour of the Warner Brothers backlot there in Burbank and show you iconic filming locations from Batman. And they told us there will be some surprises on the backlot too, just for that event on that day. So if you're a Batman fan, you are not going to want to miss Batman Day at Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. We will go ahead and leave the information on the tour up on the screen here again for a few seconds. If you need to, go ahead and take a screen cap, but all of the information can be found at wbstudiotour.com. The Warner Brothers Studio Store at the Studio Tour Hollywood has a variety of DC and Batman themed merchandise, including merchandise for that 85th anniversary. You will be exiting through the gift shop at the end of your tour, so you can do some shopping. Or if you'd like to just stop in, the Studio Store is open to the public. There is also a Starbucks in the lobby, so you can do some shopping and grab something to drink. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. Follow us on social media and find all the information about that Batman Day event right down there in the description. And let us know, which is your favorite Batman movie down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.